Buko Pandan is a popular Filipino dessert made up of young coconut, pandan-flavored jelly, sago pearls, KAONG, and nata de coco. This dish is composed of a sweet and creamy concoction of condensed milk, all-purpose cream, and strings of young coconut are the main components. This is very popular in every party, especially during Christmas time. Pour the coconut juice or water for making the gulaman or gelatin. You can cook the gelatin according to the packet instructions. What I do is to add some green food coloring, just tiny a bit to enhance the color. This is the green jelly powder form. And I'm gonna add another 1 tablespoon of green food coloring. And combine the water and gelatin powder and then stir it. Add 3 to 6 pandan leaves or pandan flavoring and then stir until everything is evenly distributed. Bring to a boil while continuously stirring it. So, I'm gonna take out the pandan leaves. Turn off the fire and transfer it into the molder. And let it cool down and set. In a pot, bring 1 liter of water to a boil and add the small sago or the tapioca pearls and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until translucent. You can check the package for instructions. Turn off the heat and strain the sago pearls using a fine sieve. Rinse thoroughly until the sago or tapioca pearls are no longer hot to touch. And then set it aside. Now, we will proceed to the gelatin. Cut the gelatin into cubes. And do the same on the other container. What are the ingredients needed? Jelly pandan cubes, KAONG or atap seed, coconut strips, sago or tapioca pearls, nata de coco, all-purpose cream and condensed milk. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add the 4 packets of all-purpose cream. But if you want the smaller portion, you can just use 2 all-purpose cream, 1 condensed milk, and you can divide all the ingredients because I used 2 portions. And stir it. I'm gonna add the sweetened condensed milk. I will just write down at my description box below if how much is the exact measurement for 1 portion, but if you want to double size it, you just double the measurement also. And then stir everything until well blended. Next is I'm gonna add the strips of young coconut. And then properly stir. And then add the sago or tapioca pearls. And then mix. And then I'm gonna add the KAONG or ATAP seed. Mix. And next is to add the NATA de coco. And the last one is to add the jelly pandan cubes. And then gently mix until well combined. Once properly mixed, you can transfer it to the bowl. Or you can transfer it to individual containers, and then after that you can chill it in the fridge. Okay, that's all.
Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and share, and of course don't forget to press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And oh yeah, I forgot, shout out to the Arena sisters too.